London's point blank music school studio session. Hello and welcome back to another Point Blank studio session. I'm Sadis.
And I'm Henry, and this is where we bring you the hottest talent from Point Blank Music School straight to your screens. Today we have a phenomenal singer-songwriter. It's Talia.
Listen, seeing you go with you, listen, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can blame you, no. Listen, harder but interest from a distance. I think we should rule our commitments for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, yeah, just doing that to get in. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave them for now. They keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can't blame you, no. No. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can blame you now.
Welcome back to Point Blank studio sessions. We have the phenomenal singer-songwriter Talia with us today. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
You've just done dropping a nice rendition, a cover of Drake's.
Yeah.
What's it called? Passion Fruit.
So good.
Thank you.
So good. You said that you were nervous about covering Drake.
Yes, because it's just like we took it just with the piano and the voice, and it's quite different from the original version.
Yeah.
So I was just like nervous because in the original version, like the beat and everything is kind of making the whole song.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was cool.
You definitely did it justice.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Are we watching some of your YouTube videos? Cheeky little plug, cheeky follow. And one of them, I think a cover of Mac Miller,
Yes.
Dunno, that had like 14,000 views.
Yeah, already.
Which
yeah.
is pretty hefty.
Yeah.
What was it that made you want to cover that song?
It was my best friend actually, because it was a song that she especially loves, and so I've just learned it on the piano, and when I played for her, she was kind of moved, and she's not easily moved. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a cover of that, and I'm gonna post on YouTube, because I usually post on Instagram, but like I thought changing it a bit and just posting on YouTube. So yeah.
Was that your first YouTube post?
Yes.
That was your debut as well. That's phenomenal.
Yeah.
Not bad.
That's
It was
wicked.
this summer, like in June. It was. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. It was over the
June.
summertime.
Yeah.
So are you a Mac Miller fan at all?
Yes.
You are?
Mm.
Okay. So you know, as being an R&B singer and there being this cool little relationship between R&B and hip hop,
Yeah.
who would your ideal rapper collaboration be?
I'd say Drake if
Really?
I could again.
That's the
Yeah,
second
but
Drake tonight.
like Drake or Kendrick Lamar too.
Okay.
But yeah, I would say just anybody. I
Yeah?
just love a lot of hip hop singers, and so yeah, I wouldn't mind with anyone really.
Yeah. What like covers seem to be your thing at the moment. Like
Yeah.
you're doing very well with covers on both Instagram and YouTube, racking up hundreds of views.
Mm.
What's one cover that you haven't done that maybe you're like super nervous to do or would want to do?
I'm not sure now because I haven't uploaded in a while on YouTube actually, and I'm like preparing some covers.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's like a cover that I'm scared to do because if I am, I wouldn't do it at
Yeah.
all. So
What's the next one that you got geared up?
I don't know. I'm thinking maybe Love on the Brain by Rihanna,
Okay.
or
that's a good
just
one.
covering maybe one of the Mac Miller's new album, Circles.
Yeah.
One of the songs on this album, and just like plenty of other songs like Adele songs. I usually I choose within the second where I film.
Whatever
so
feels right.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So I don't think about it like for months and months in advance. So
Yeah. Just let it flow.
yeah.
That's what's up.
Nothing
Exactly.
big, just Adele. you
Yeah.
know, just someone small time. And you're from Switzerland,
Yeah.
and we wanted to quiz you a bit on Switzerland
Yeah.
because I only know about Roger Federer. I want to know more.
That's enough. No.
He's the god,
Okay.
isn't he?
No.
So, no.
No, he's still. What?
Do you like Roger Federer?
Yes, of course.
You have
Of
to.
course. Yeah, you have to. It's an obligation in Switzerland
You
if
have
you
to
don't
sign a
like
form.
him. Yeah.
Well, we're going to do some true and falses about
I'm
Switzerland.
gonna figure out and find out
If
how
I
well
fail
you
at
know.
this, that
Yeah,
would be
that's it
so
then.
bad.
We won't post it. It'll be
Okay.
fine.
We'll just cut this part out.
Yeah.
That's fine.
True or false? Was LSD created in Switzerland?
Yes, that's true.
Oh, ding, ding, ding.
I know
Straight
about
in.
that.
No
Straight in with that
hesitation.
one.
I know about Elvis. No, but I mean, I know it because like my brother
do
did
you
a
know it? No,
research on
don't
it.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
There you
Oh,
go.
awesome. Okay, cool. Well, the second one is Switzerland's tap water tastes phenomenal.
Yes.
Is
It
that
does.
true or
Is
false?
it true?
I think it's true because I was shocked when I came here in London. It tastes so
You
bad.
drank the London tap water.
Is it
Yes,
rubbish?
because I
Ew.
thought it was like in Switzerland, but it's not.
What does it taste of in Switzerland, though? Because
It's-
water's water, isn't it, at
It's
the end
like
of the day?
pure, you know? Like you drink tap water, but it's like I don't know how it feels
Yeah,
like.
I
it's
have
like
to co-sign
a river.
on that
you
one with
know?
her. When I tried Swiss tap water, I don't drink tap water. I'm a water snob. And when I went to Switzerland, I was forced to try tap water,
It's
and
like-
I drank nothing but tap water the whole trip.
It's just
Wow.
like water,
Yeah.
but it's like good.
The water.
Yeah,
It tasted
water.
clean. is
Yeah,
what
it tastes
tasted like.
clean.
It didn't
If you
taste
can say that.
metallic.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
True or false? It's a Swiss ritual that girls get their ear pierced on their first birthday.
The what?
Their ears pierced.
Oh no, that's false.
Ding-a-ling. You're right.
Oh, yeah, she's in there.
We
She's
were
in
trying
there.
to throw you off, you know.
No.
But
All right,
I
one
know.
more. Swiss people eat the most chocolate in the world.
I don't think we eat the most. We make it, but we don't eat it the most. So no, that's false.
apparently it's true.
Apparently, it's true.
Really?
Apparently you eat the most chocolate.
Yeah, you guys.
Well,
eat
I
the
don't
most
know. I don't
chocolate.
like chocolate.
Swiss-
but-
You don't like
Switzerland.
chocolate?
No.
I know Roger Federer loves chocolate.
Really?
That's true. That is
Really?
true.
How'd you know
he
that?
knows. I
I,
don't.
I watched a little interview with him. I'm not obsessed.
Wait, he said
but-
that. Okay.
Yeah, he said he loves chocolate.
Okay. Well, I'm not a big fan.
No.
Oh, there you go.
I like it
Oh,
like
well.
in brownies and stuff like that, but not
Yeah.
like pure chocolate that you eat it like that.
Yeah.
I couldn't.
Have you gone to the chocolate factories out there?
Yes.
You said you go to the Kaye
Yeah,
chocolate factory.
I've been
there.
it
That was
3 times
Really?
already with my grandparents.
yeah.
Every time they want to go back, I'm like, yeah, but we've already been like 3 times. But I'm always
But
like,
the free
down.
chocolate is worth
Yeah,
it.
stick
I
to the
love
water.
just
yeah.
for the free chocolate.
The
yeah.
water sounds good enough, to be fair.
No, but it's fun. You have to go
Yeah,
if you
it
haven't
is.
been already. But
No, yeah. You should go,
Sorted.
Henry.
I'm there with Roger.
yeah, of course. Bring Roger. That's fine.
Right, that's us done.
Yeah, that is us done. That's you.
See you next time for another Point Blank studio sessions.
Thanks.
Sweating, man.
London's Point Blank Music School studio sessions.